When it comes to door installation in Manassas, Virginia, the local weather plays a crucial role in both the selection and installation process. From scorching summer heat to unpredictable winter snowstorms, the climate in Manassas can influence the type of doors you choose, the materials used, and the timing of your installation. Understanding these factors can help you make informed decisions that ensure your home stays comfortable, secure, and energy efficient throughout the year. The impact of seasonal weather. Manassas experiences 4 distinct seasons, each with its own weather challenges. Summers tend to be hot and humid, while winters can be cold with occasional snow and ice. Spring and fall are milder, but temperatures can fluctuate significantly. These changes in temperature and humidity can impact your doors in various ways, from the materials they're made of to the energy efficiency they provide. Summer heat. Choosing the right material for insulation. In the summer, the intense heat and humidity can lead to high energy bills as air conditioners work overtime to cool your home. During this time, choosing energy-efficient doors is essential. Fiberglass and insulated steel doors are excellent options as they provide superior insulation against outdoor temperatures. These materials help keep the hot air out and the cool air in, reducing the strain on your HVAC system. Additionally, these materials are durable and resistant to the effects of heat and humidity, ensuring that your door doesn't warp or crack under the stress of the weather. Wooden doors, while aesthetically appealing, may not be the best choice for Manassas' humid summers. Wood can expand and contract with the changing weather, which may lead to gaps, warping, or difficulty in closing. If you prefer the look of wood, you might consider fiberglass doors with a wood-like finish. These provide the visual appeal of wood with the added benefits of insulation and durability. Winter cold and snow. Ensuring a tight seal. Winter in Manassas can bring freezing temperatures and occasional snowstorms, which place additional demands on your door's ability to maintain warmth within your home. During the colder months, drafts and heat loss are major concerns. You'll want a door that provides excellent insulation to keep your heating bills low and your home comfortable. Steel doors, especially those with insulation, are excellent choices for winter installations. They not only provide thermal protection but also help reduce noise from outside. The tight seal of steel doors is especially beneficial in preventing drafts. Double-glazed glass is also an important feature to look for if your door has windows. It provides better insulation and helps prevent condensation, which can be a problem during extreme cold. Weather stripping around the edges of your door is also crucial in the winter months. It can help create a tight seal, ensuring that cold air stays outside and warm air stays in. Be sure to check your weather stripping before the cold season arrives to ensure it's in good condition and effectively blocking drafts. Spring and fall. The ideal time for installation. Spring and fall offer moderate temperatures, making these seasons the best times to schedule your door installation. During these months, you can avoid the extremes of summer and winter, which can make the installation process smoother and more efficient. The moderate weather also reduces the risk of damage to the door during installation, and you don't have to worry as much about the door settling into the frame due to temperature fluctuations. In these seasons, you can also experiment with a wider variety of materials and finishes since the weather will not pose as much of a threat to their performance. This is a great time to explore options that may not be as durable during the summer heat or winter cold, such as wooden doors or those with intricate glasswork. Choosing a professional installer. When selecting a door installer in Manassas, it's important to choose a contractor who understands how the local weather can affect your door's performance. They should be able to recommend materials that work well in the climate, ensure proper weatherproofing, and provide expert installation to maximize the door's longevity and efficiency. Conclusion. The weather in Manassas significantly impacts the choices you make when installing a door. Whether you're dealing with the sweltering heat of summer or the chill of winter, it's important to select doors that offer the best insulation, durability, and energy efficiency. With proper planning and an understanding of how the weather affects your choices, you can ensure that your new door will not only enhance your home's aesthetic appeal but also provide long-lasting performance.